What's up, everybody? It is Deluxe here, and I just put a ton of pesto sauce on these smoked ribs off the Traeger, and I have no idea how this is going to turn out. We'll see at the end if this is a smash or a pass. First, I'm going to hit these spare ribs with a little real salt, smoked apple pecan salt. Next up, I'm going to hit this stuff with a real salt organic seasoning. This stuff has a ton of different seasonings in it, and it pairs perfectly with pork. I'm going to get my meter in there, make sure I hit my perfect temps. All right, now I throw it on the Traeger. I got my Pro 780 heated up to about 225. I'm going to let that one roll for about 4 hours. Then I'm going to go ahead and let's start wrapping. Hit it with a little bit of deluxe honey, a little bit of butter, and then I'm going to also wrap it with a little apple juice using that unspeakable juice blocks. Those things are money in the clutch. Okay, here comes the kicker. We're going to hit this thing hard with a whole bunch of pesto just before it finishes up. Let that thing smoke down a little bit more, kind of caramelize a little bit. I had no idea how this was going to turn out, but I wanted to try it. I'm a huge fan of pesto, so let's get into it. Cut them up with the Messermeister knife. Now, check it out. Look at the tenderness on this thing. We nailed it. That Traeger hit the smoke ring perfectly. Now, let's get into this bite and see how this pesto tastes. What do you think? 3, 2, 1. Ah, it's a freaking winner. This is a winner rib dinner. I'm telling you, if you're a fan of pesto, you've got to try this. It is a game changer. I'm going back for seconds on this one. It's deluxe, son.